Member, what's going on here?
My queen, Obuego. We don't know who these people are. And they are not one of us, are they?
No! They are not.
They want to take refuge in our land. I will not allow that to happen.
Never! It will never happen. And of which village are you coming from?
Greetings, my queen. We are from Mukwere community.
My queen, we had a fight with the neighboring community.
Please, my queen, may you live long. We are here to take refuge. Please, allow us.
Never! It will never happen.
We will not let that happen.
Never!
This is an Igbo land. You're from Mukwere, and we will not let you take refuge in our land.
Yes.
Never! The last time we let people into our land, they came here and stole our farm produce. We won't let that happen again.
According to tradition, there must be a wrestle. If you win, you can take refuge in my land. But if you do not, you will be on your way home. Let the fight begin. I need both of you to sweep the community with this stick of broom.
How? How? Everybody say how?
My queen, this is just a stick of broom.
My queen, this cannot sweep the community.
Have you guys seen Aincha Bofu? Whether we are from Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa, we are all one. And we can't walk if we are not together. You can sweep with this, but you can't sweep with that. So have you seen that we are all one? So my people, are we going to allow them take refuge in our land? Or yes?
Yes, my queen. I think we should allow them.
May the celebration begin.
That what else happened right now? Did I know you? Jesus!